Easy and unique nail art ideas, beautiful line design. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have got some exciting and easy to follow nail art ideas that are sure to make your nails stand out. Let's dive right now. First up, we are starting with an aqua and brown line design. Begin by applying a base coat to protect your nails, then using a thin brush create delicate aqua lines and natural light gray background. These lines will give your nails a touch of elegance. Now let's add a touch of love. Apply a clear top coat and gently place love sticker on your nails. You can arrange them however you like for a unique and playful look. Next, we are going celestial. Apply a vibrant red polish and one yellow star stickers to your nails. The contrast between the colors will make your nails pop. For our final design, we are going to for something truly beautiful. Begin with a light yellow base, then use a thin brush to create intricate lines in brown. This combination of colors creates a stunning, sophisticated look. And there you have it, easy and unique nail art design that are perfect for any occasion. Don't forget to finish with the top coat for added shine and protection. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe for more creative nail ideas. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to engage with your viewers, respond to comment and include relevant hashtags in your video. Good luck with friends and make sure you like it. This design, very nice design and beautiful design. Make sure you like it.